Welcome to today's standing ab workout. Let's get started. As long as you're trying, you are winning.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an old good life. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be
am the one who always says that you gotta take the chance you get. Cause we are one in a million. Tonight's the night we come alive. I do and you don't. We complement each other. The reason for love has always been amazing. I might do bad things, I agree, but the moment says it's right for me. So can I get a one dance? Cause I wanna be the one dancing. I wanna be the one better and stronger and faster. Bottle up and get going. The road is running up slowly. I wanna be the one better and stronger and faster. The moment says it's right for me. The moment says it's right for me. Time, that is everything we got. And now we take every chance we get to do.
Hi, I'm Cola, just like Coca-Cola. I am a certified personal trainer and I live in the great state of Texas. If you are enjoying this super short workout, I would love to invite you to visit my website, KobokoFitness.com, where you can get daily 30-minute workouts. And on top of that, we now have our own built-in community in the app, which means I can connect with you way more directly and way more personally than I can ever do on these streets, okay? Visit KobokoFitness.com. You will see my child in my workouts because when he sees me doing a workout, he thinks it's time to play. So it is what it is. Mom life. Let's continue.
Now give me love. Now give me love. Be there, baby.
so happy you made it this far. If you want more structure and support, click the link in my description to get a free 5-day workout plan.
You must think that I'm a restless case because I ran away, because I ran away. If you listen to